And Moimoi is ready.
Laws and
This way it's
pancakes
looking.
mix real nice. Flipping words
It's durable.
and flipping spice. From the courtroom to the pan. Legal grease or olive bran. Contract seasoned with
my new Moimoi
some
plate.
sage.
So I'm going to go testing the microphone.
Cases on a stage. Serve subpoenas with a smile. Culinary
This is
legal
such a head
style.
slapping.
Cook with lawyer recipes.
You can go.
A
This
dash
one can
of
go
law,
custard, garri,
pinch
rice,
of ease.
and
Stir
everything
it
combined
up
with it. This is
with
good.
expertise. Culinary legal, please. Marinate your brief in
I'm going to make Moimoi the way we used to make it when we were growing up. Have you eaten Moimoi with this cup? This tomato cup. I've been saving them so that I will have enough. This thing has been in my house up to 2 years.
Laws
I've
and
kept this.
pancakes
And I decided
mix
to make content
real
with it.
nice.
Those days, we used to buy
Flipping
Moimoi from women
words
from
and
Ecuador. They
flipping
will bring
spice.
Moimoi to my village, market
From
days,
the
and cook it.
courtroom
Like I told you, I grew up in a
to the
village.
pan.
Even though my dad was rich,
Legal
but some
grease
food
or
were not to us.
olive
The food we know
brand.
was garri, afternoon, garri,
Contract
evening,
season
garri,
with
night,
some
garri, morning.
sage.
If you want to change diet, what do
Make
you
your
do?
cases on a stage.
You eat this and
Serve subpoenas with a smile. Culinary legal style. Cook with lawyer recipes. A dash of law, a pinch of ease. Stir it up with expertise. Culinary legal, please. Marinate your brief in time. Argue flavor, twist some lime. Cross-examine every zest. Lawsuits do we cook the best. Judge your taste and plead the corn. Dish it out from dusk till dawn. Open case, don't close the lid. Legal flavors always bid. Cook with lawyer recipes. A dash of law, a pinch of ease. Stir it up with expertise. Culinary legal, please. Judge your taste and plead the corn. Dish it out from dusk till dawn. Open case, don't close the lid. Legal flavors always bid.